Friends, I have here a bunch of cups and I haven't done anything yet because I want you to watch it with me as I do everything so you can see, okay? So the first thing I need to do, everybody put up the number 1. It's our first step. I'm going to take baking soda. Mommies or daddies might have this at home, okay? I'm gonna put it in each cup, so you gotta give me a minute so I can put it in. Miss Lala, do you have baking soda at your house?
I do.
So a lot of mommies and daddies might have this at home, so maybe you can try it when you are at home. So I'm going to put this baking soda in. Miss Lala, do you want to tell them what we're making right now?
We are making an explosion, but guess what it's going to look like? We've been talking an awful lot about it, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's blue and it's green. And some of us live on the green land, and some of our favorite animals live in the blue water. And it makes earth. Do you think that when Miss Brooke puts everything in that it's going to look like the colors of earth? We're going to see it.
All right, so now I have food coloring. So I have my blue and I have my green, and that's going to help us see the earth. So Miss Brooke is going to put it in different spots so you can see all the different colors. And Miss Brooke put everything in this container so it stays nice and clean, because you don't want to ruin mommy's cabinets, right? You want to make sure everything stays nice and clean because we're scientists today, and scientists always make sure that their lab is super clean, right?
And that you're safe. That's why we put our spectacles on.
Yeah.
Yep. So our eyes are safe. Our hands aren't touching so we don't hurt ourselves.
All right. I put my food coloring in. You can kind of see it. And I am going to get ready to pour the vinegar in. When I pour the vinegar in, it's going to make a reaction with the baking soda and the food coloring, and it's going to make it explode. Are you guys ready? I need you guys to give me a drum roll at home. So it's going to look something like this. You're going to go. You do that? All right, let's see. Remember, it's going to happen kind of quick, so you got to have your eyes peeled to the camera. All right, ready? 3, 2,
2, 1. Here we go.
You can see it's starting to have a chemical reaction. Whoa.
You did it, Miss Brooke. It's blue and green, just like the earth.
And it's coming up just like the earth, all those colors, right? And we have the planet Earth. What do you guys think? Was that so cool? That was so much fun. Miss Lala, what do you think?
I love it.
I think
I
that
want to do it again and again and again.
And you can, if you take your vinegar and you just keep pouring it in, then it will keep happening. The reaction will happen over and over again. You can see in my tub, look how silly. All
that is
poured
so
over.
Cool.
Woo, I love that. All right, friends.